Hi, welcome to Buzz, Indiana's Underground Business Voice. My name is Tony Salzo. Special holiday showing of the Buzz. We're at the main event. I got Darrell Owen at the Buzz. Good to finally have you here, brother.
Nice to see you.
Appreciate you. Now, Darrell's got a company called reps for a company called Color Tech.
Yes.
Okay, and you're a lighting specialist.
Right.
What the heck does that mean?
A lighting specialist means that I can use my background going in and help people evaluate whether they have the right amount of light, the right color light, or if they have energy issues, or if they just have issues where people have eye strain. We can go in and do a whole bunch of things to try to make people's lighting environment improve.
Well, and not to make light of this, no pun intended. Yeah. Really, what you're doing is not only showing people how to improve productivity, but how to increase or reduce their total energy expenditures.
Yes.
Right? Yes. You're there to show them what full spectrum can do for maybe even the environment that they're creating for their employees. So if you're in a manufacturing facility, I mean, this is some pretty logistics in that target. This is some powerful changes you're creating in their environment with pretty minimal investment. Is that true?
Yes, that's true.
So how did you get into this?
Well, I was a manufacturing engineer, maintenance manager for about 40-some years, and it just sort of fell in place to when the company asked me to come work for them. I said, yeah, I could do that.
And I think that's important to know because you were on the other side of the desk.
Yes.
And you actually designed these processes and helped improve these types of environments for companies. And now you're on the other side and you're giving away that body of knowledge. Is right?
Yeah.
Not trying to, but as really part of your value proposition to really show these guys how to utilize these tools you bring.
Yeah, it's been really a lot of fun because you can talk to people at their level and you can answer all their questions. When I was a maintenance manager, I used to test everybody else's product. This company kept winning all the time, so I kept buying their product.
Sure. Now
that I'm working for them, I'm not selling something I don't really know about.
Yeah, you're bought in 100%,
yeah.
right?
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, I'm thinking the type of businesses that you're going to start to network with, or anybody else really selling into logistics, the manufacturing facilities, anybody that's got a lot of squares that has to have productivity there. That's really your target. Is that true?
Yeah, that's it. Very much. I'm working with some people right now that are very interesting to work with. I don't want to mention any names, but you go in and see the kind of lighting they've got. It's one of my favorites is a machine tool shop. It looked like a dungeon.
Yeah.
And when I got finished with putting it in and saving him half of his energy, it looks like there's no roof on the building.
So you're saving half their energy. You're helping create a more positive environment for workers, and you're increasing productivity, and you're networking with really any other consultants that are dealing with that workplace environment, right? Yes. So process engineers, the CFO for hire, those are really good strategic resources for you, and vice versa, right?
Yeah, they are very much. Yeah.
What's the one thing you think makes you different about you got a lot of people in your game, but what's the one thing you think makes you different?
What makes me different is I really have been there and done that with the product. I know the product, how much longer it'll last than everybody else's. I know how it holds its brightness longer than everybody else's because I tested it. When we were gutting factories and redoing everything electrically, mechanically, and moving new equipment in, I had like 6 to 8 months to test product. Buy one of everybody's, hang it up on the ceiling, and watch them for 6 to 8 months, and it wasn't any problem after that to find out who was the best. So it was kind of fun.
I think the most powerful thing is you've been on both sides of that desk. You know what that guy is going through that's looking to make those decisions. You can help justify the cost-benefit ratio, and you can show them how they're going to make more money and create more productivity for that's a pretty powerful combination.
Especially when you can do the math and show them the payback.
Amen. Amen.
That's what's really a lot of fun, is to see their face when they go, wow, I can save that much money. You go, well, yes, that's true.
If you're out there, just give Darrell the meeting. You'll walk out with $10,000 in consulting, and you may buy a couple $1,000s worth of lights. Darrell Owen,
thank you.
You've been Buzz.